Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying model identifiers and firmware. This matters because the patcher maps hardware checks to bypasses. Once done, download the Sonoma-compatible patch tool and the correct MacOS installer image, matching build numbers. Make a 16 GB USB installer and clone or time machine your drive. Make sure to keep multiple backups. You'll need a clean target partition and the installer on USB. This step prevents data loss and gives you recovery options if the patch fails mid-process. You boot from the USB installer into the patched environment and run the patch utility. This is where the heavy lifting happens. Apply kernel patches and install the custom kexts for graphics, Wi-Fi, and SSD trim support so hardware functions correctly. Once kexts are staged, update NVRAM and set bootargs as recommended by the patch guide. If your Mac needs open core, install the custom bootloader and place its EFI on the target drive. Make sure each kext has correct permissions and is in /library/extensions. After the first boot, you must rebuild kext caches and repair permissions so extensions load reliably. Run sudo kextcache i/ and rebuild the boot cache. Manually check for incremental updates rather than auto-installing major Apple updates because they can overwrite patches. If you encounter a boot loop, mount the EFI from your USB and restore the patched EFI, or boot into safe mode to remove conflicting kexts. If all else fails, revert to your clone backup and reassess patch choices. That single rollback saves hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.